Hello student, good morning. I am Ankur Tiwari, physics teacher from Prabhat Kids School, Akola. So dear student, in last video we have learned about the momentum and the Newton third law. So in last doubt session, many students were asking me the question based on the conservation of momentum. So dear student, in your NCERT textbook, one law is given that is called the law of conservation of momentum. How momentum conserve? As I said, momentum can neither be created nor be destroyed. It get transformed from one body to another body. So same way, what happens when the two particles collide with each other, either in the same direction or in the opposite direction? So let us understand momentum with one example. So imagine that two bodies, that is body A and another body B, are coming from opposite direction and they collide. So there are two conditions. What was the momentum of that body before collision, or what is the momentum of the body after collision? Okay, so let us discuss. So our topic is law of conservation of momentum. Law of conservation of momentum. So dear student, imagine a two body A and this is body B. These are two bodies, okay, going to body A moving to this direction, body B is also moving to this direction. And this situation, the mass of body A is, so I will write the content MA, and the mass of body B is MB. Okay, so initial velocity of body A is UA and the initial velocity of body B is UB. Okay, so that you should remember first. And this situation is called before collision. Before collision. Before collide we can say. Okay, so dear student, write down the detail. Mass of body, mass of body A is equal to ma. Then initial velocity of the body A, initial velocity of body A is equal to UA. Okay, so what is the momentum of the body A, dear student? So initial momentum, that is according to the formula, momentum is mass into velocity. So the initial momentum of body A is equal to MA into UA. Okay, are you getting my point, dear student? This is the initial. Same we can write for the body B. Then mass of body B is equal to MB. Okay, then what is velocity? Velocity, but which velocity, dear student? Initial velocity. So initial velocity of body B UB. Okay. So dear students, same way the initial momentum of body B. What is the initial momentum of body B? So initial momentum of body B is, you know, MBUB. Okay. So dear student, this is a situation before collision, because before collision this body is traveling A to this direction, to the direction of B, and B is traveling to the direction of the A. So dear student, they are traveling oppositely, means this is body B, this is body A, they are traveling each other. Okay, but this situation before collision, the mass is Ma, velocity UA, MB UB, and their momentum before collision MAUA, MBUB. So what is the sum of their momentum before collision? So sum of momentum is what? Sum of momentum. So sum of momentum of this body are MAUA plus MBUB. This is the sum of momentum of two bodies before collision. Okay. Now dear student, in time t, what happen? These two bodies collide with each other. So what happen? See again this situation. These two body A and body B, these are collide with each other. In this situation, what happens? When this body collide with each other, what happens? The mass never change. Mass is constant according to the universal law of mass. That mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. It gets transferred from one body to another body. What is change? The change in the velocity. So velocity of this body A is VA and velocity of body B is VB. Okay, and mass is same. The mass is MA. Here the mass is MB, and this situation is after collision. After collide. So let us calculate the same way. What is the final momentum after collision? So I am directly write down the final momentum. So the final momentum of A, final momentum of A is MAVA, and that of B is MBVB. Okay. So what is the sum of final momentum? Sum of final momentum is sum of final momentum. This is sum of initial momentum. This is sum of initial momentum. Which body? A and B. This is sum of final momentum of body A and B. That is, what is the sum of final momentum? MA, then MA VA plus MB VB. Okay. So dear student, according to the Newton third law, when two bodies collide with each other, one is doing action, another is doing reaction. So Newton says that action reaction are always equal and opposite, act on the two different bodies. So dear student, what happens when these two bodies collide with each other? One is doing action, another is doing reaction. Assume that A is doing action and another B is doing reaction. A is performing action and another is performing reaction. So I am writing here according to third law of Newton, F of A, force exerted by the body A, is equal to minus force exerted by the body, and the collision time is T. What is the collision time? T. Okay, collision time is T. Okay, so what is the force exerted by A? According to the definition of force, dear student, change in momentum per unit time. So the force exerted by A is what? Final momentum of A minus initial momentum of A. So what is the final momentum of A? MAVA. Sorry. This is A. Okay. So what is the final momentum of A? MAVA. So here MAVA minus MAUA upon time T. This is the force exerted by the body A. And what is the force exerted by the body B? Minus of what? MBVB minus MBUB. Getting my point? This is VB. Don't be confused. MBVB. MBUB upon same time T. Here time get cancelled. Time T. I am writing here time T. So time get cancelled. So here I am performing the final momentum problem. Don't be confused. So time get cancelled. So what is the result? The result is, see dear student, MAVA minus MAUA equal to MBVB minus MBUB. But there is a minus sign, so this is minus and this become plus. Are you getting my point? So what you should do? Transfer the final momentum at one place and initial momentum at one place. So the condition before collision was MAVA, this MBVB minus MBVB comes here, plus MBVB, and here MAUA positive plus MBUB. This is the law of conservation of momentum. So dear student, what is the result? Sum of initial momentum, see MAVA, sum of final momentum is equal to sum of initial momentum. This condition is after collide. This condition is before collide. So what is the result? The result is sum of final momentum, that is A and B is equal to sum of initial momentum A and B. Understand? The sum of final momentum before collision is after collision is always equal to the sum of initial momentum. So dear student, this is the law of conservation of momentum, and law of conservation of momentum state that when two bodies collide with each other, the sum of initial momentum before collision is always equal to the sum of final momentum after collision.